Hi, my lovely Leos. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, today we are going to do yet another reading for your sign for the month of November 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Leos, there were a couple of messages that were coming through very strongly and starkly, and I would say intensely. One is there is a group of people who is, or there is a group, I would rather say there could be specific few who are going through some major transformations. Okay, major transformations. I saw the death card a couple of times. Okay, couple of times, like strong scorpion energy coming through. So guys, there is someone who has been going through some situation for a long time. Okay, maybe a period of somewhere between 9 months to 9 years, 9 to 10 years. Okay, but this, whatever this situation was, it was kind of troublesome. It was not a pleasant situation to be in, and you were kind of stuck in that. You were kind of really stuck. You didn't know what to do. You didn't know how to free yourself. Okay, now this could be a workplace situation, this could be a personal situation, it could be a personal bond, a relationship wherein it gets a little trickier, just to walk away. And it took someone really long time to take this decision and walk away. Okay, you just decided to break yourself free and show your back to this situation and just walk away towards towards the peace of your mind. Okay, that's what I was seeing. Very very difficult, very painful energy, a period wherein you were really very sleepless, depressed, anxious, utterly exhausted. I saw 9 of swords, I saw 10 of swords, 10 of wands, 9 of wands repeatedly, and death card. I'm also getting a message that someone might have actually dealt with someone's death, as in physical death. Okay, someone might be really ill for a long time, and you were kind of taking care of that person, and you were stuck with that person. Okay, that is what I was getting. It becomes when someone is sick in your family. Okay, it becomes difficult. I'm not at all saying on a selfish note, but yes, you get tied, you get bound. You are continuously responsible, taking care of that person. You don't have the liberty to live your own life for that period of time. I have gone through such phase with a very dear person, my own father, and I know how this feeling it is. But I feel that finally the person has transited and you are free now. Okay, a very painful period, and if this is what you have gone through, Leos, my heart goes out to you, and my complete empathy towards you. Okay, major event, major transformation, but this too shall pass. Okay, this too shall pass. Another message I was getting is someone is manifesting something in a very headstrong manner in terms of career or materialistic goals. Someone has set himself or herself very ambitious goals, and you are like working crazily towards those goals, crazily towards those goals. You are probably even doing some manifestation work, practicing the law of attraction techniques, and working very hard towards achieving those goals. I saw magician a lot of times. Okay, and this is something related to someone's materialistic goals, financial goals, and ambitions I'm talking about. Okay, there is someone. Okay, I saw strength card a lot of times. Okay, I also feel that there is a specific group of people who are probably dating online. Okay, you could be on a dating app or a matrimony site, I don't know what it is, and you are actually interacting with someone. I saw that that there is some heavy communication going on between two people. Okay, lot of messages, lot of phone calls being expected. Maybe you guys are traveling to see each other. I saw I saw overseas travel also for some of you guys. Okay, traveling overseas as well to see each other. Okay, world card, death card. Like I said, there is some major transformation happening in someone's life. Okay, and transformations usually are quite painful, and I'm saying usually, and they are not easy to deal with. But you are Leos, like you are fighters, and I don't need to say anything else. Okay, so yeah, those were a lot of pre-shuffling messages, but these were, like I said earlier, coming through very strongly, and I had to render it the way I received them. Okay, so let's get quickly started with your main reading, guys. 7 of Cups, right? Okay. See, even right now, your current energy is that of 9 of Swords. Just look at the imagery of that card. Okay, just look at the girl sitting on the bed, and just holding her holding her head in her hands, and she's utterly disturbed. Oh goodness, same messages, guys. Leos, oh my goodness, I am stopping at that. But yes, some heavy energies. World card yet again. Whatever oh gosh, Leo's someone is up for major life transformation. Major, the your life is changing or taking another big turn. Okay, another big turn. Another chapter of your life is opening, and one is closing. Okay. Okay, let's get started. In the recent past, there is 7 of Cups, and there is 4 of Swords. So yes, guys, I see a lot of emotional clutter happening over here. Okay, lot of emotional clutter, lot of confusion, lot of illusions, lot of what do I say, lot of temptations. Okay, overall I am seeing it's not a very clean and positive energy in your recent past. Okay, I also feel that you guys you guys are for some of you guys, your might be racing round the clock. Okay, and you really need to slow it down. By the overall energy and the spread also, I really would urge you guys to meditate. Okay, you really need to slow down, take a break, sleep a lot. I see some of you guys are actually going through borderline depression, or maybe even clinical depression at that. Okay, please slow down. Please do take care of your mental and physical health. Okay, many times we just get so caught in the race of life, dealing with things, tackling with things, that we just completely ignore the mental and physical health, and especially the importance of mental sanity and well-being. Okay, only when you start getting sleepless or very super duper depressed, that you start realizing, and by the time many times it's very late. Okay, don't do that. So just give me a second, guys. That was my alarm. I'm sorry about that. Alarm for taking medicines. Sorry. Anyway, so yes, you guys really need to rest it out, guys. Rest it out. Just sleep. Go on a vacation. Take a break. If you're not going on a vacation, take a break. Be at home and just pamper yourself silly. Okay, that is the message that is coming through very strongly, guys. Moving to your current energy, there is 9 of Swords and there is Queen of Pentacles. By any chance, guys, are you really worried about your financial situation? if so, please don't be. I don't see any reason that you should be, worried about your financial situation. But I definitely, there is one energy that I am getting very strongly, is someone is very concerned about your mm, this is a queen. Okay, let me put it this way. This is a queen of pentacles who happens to be the most rational, the most grounded queen of all the four elements. Okay, I feel that you guys are taking a lot of responsibilities. Okay, you are taking a lot of burden over your shoulders. You are just, bothering yourself a lot with the concerns and problems of other people. Okay, and that is actually taking a toll on your own well-being, and you're not realizing it. Okay, see guys, being empathetic is absolutely fine. Be there for others, but make sure that you don't try to solve everyone's problems every single time. Every person has his or her journey, and we should let them live that journey, learn their lessons, because we cannot control the situation, guys, no matter how good the intentions are. I believe you are trying to do that, Leos, and just let go of the reins is what I'll suggest from your current energy over here. Okay, be there, but just know that you cannot control the situation every single time. Okay, and by control, I'm not at all ill meaning it. I'm saying the desperacy that you have, to help someone else, and your struggle to help others sometimes can create more problems, especially for your own self. So just be a little mindful, guys. It's a beautiful energy, but well, we should know where to stop. Okay, moving to your immediate future, I see Page of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Now that at least is a good energy. I feel that you guys are going to meet someone. Someone is going to contact you, message you, and that person is going to offer you love. Okay, that person is surely going to offer you love. There could be an age gap between you two. This could be a workplace situation. You could be dealing with someone very younger to you, or you are younger to someone at workplace, but you guys are absolutely in love with each other is what I'm saying, or at least the other person, one person is in love with the other. Okay, that's what I'm saying. A brief a beginning of new relationship is what I'm saying. Workplace situation is what I am seeing, but need not be. Okay, for some of you guys, this messenger could be a messenger of new opportunity in terms of career as well. Okay, new project, new assignment, something new, brand new, something which you have never tried before, but is going to be absolutely exciting. Okay, that is the kind of message I'm getting very strongly. Wheel of Fortune is there at the bottom of the deck. There is definitely a new start, a new beginning. Turning of page, whatever you want to call, but something major transformation wise. Your overall energy or the advice is very intense, guys. There are there are three arcanas over here, three major arcanas: the Tower, the Justice, and the Moon. Guys, again, Eight of Swords has shown up over here. Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords. There is strong air sign showing up in this reading, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. If at all you have any of these signs in your birth chart, okay, or if you're dealing with fellow air or water signs, do check out those placements as well. Okay, so yes, like I said, for some of you guys, there's this tower coming crashing down. Okay, so there is please expect powerful changes in upcoming days, weeks, months, guys. Okay, major life changing karmic changes I'm talking about here. It's not like you're changing a job, or you're changing a house. No, I'm not talking about these changes. I'm talking about lots of major changes, like marriage, like death, like separation from your partner, divorce, legal battles. Okay, those kind of major changes that I'm talking about. Okay, yes, the tower is going to come crashing down, but guys, what I feel or what I strongly see, this tower is going to set you free. Okay, whatever this event it is. It's going to set you free from whatever was holding you up till now. Okay, this tower is actually the key to your freedom. That's what I'm saying, guys. Finally the justice is going to be served. You guys are going to free legally as well. Okay, so if at all anyone is going through a court case, divorce case, legal battle, okay, it's going to come through. You're going to get your papers and you might even win the case. In the result might be in your favor. Okay, but whatever it is, you are going to breathe a sigh of relief. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting, and it's very intense, and it's very overwhelming, and it's very, I don't know. Overwhelming is the right word, guys. I can see and I can feel that very very strongly. Yes, moon card over here. So now this moon is telling me two things. Someone definitely is going through borderline depression, a low phase, okay, a very very shadowy phase. And guys, please do take care of yourself and just keep on telling yourself this too shall pass. Nothing is permanent, guys, not even our lives. So just why worry about any challenges that are coming our way? The challenges are there because you had signed this contract before coming on earth. Okay, they are there because your soul wanted those karmic debts to be cleared. Okay, you had come, you have taken birth to go through those challenges. So don't be alarmed, just be a fighter as you are, and everything will be fine, guys, very very soon. Yes, it's an emotional phase. You might be missing your people, you might be missing your parents, your kids, okay, your old friends, but everyone is there around you. Guys, just reach out and talk to people you love. Okay, just don't hesitate, just reach out. Okay, is what I'll tell you as advice. Very very intense. Yeah, the second energy I'm talking was someone might be secretly crushing on you, or you might be having secret crush over someone. And this is the message I was getting while pre-shuffling also. I missed telling that because there were too many messages coming through. Definitely someone is admiring you secretly is what I'm getting, guys. That is for a specific person. I do not know who it is going to be, but it's not about masses. Okay, yeah. Let's quickly pull some messages from this beautiful deck. Be bold and make the first move. Wow, what a lovely advice. What a lovely advice, guys. Sometimes we really need to do that. And well, meditate and contemplate. And it's time to take action. Of course, you really need to meditate. I have no second thoughts about that. Start doing it right away, even if it is less than 5 minutes a day, guys. 5 minutes in 24 hours is nothing for your own well-being. Okay, please, I strongly urge you, please do that. It's very very much needed. Be bold and make the first move, and it's time to take action. Yes, go ahead, break yourself free. There is nothing is worth it, suffering so much. Okay, there is nothing that is worth or nothing that is important than your, the clock is showing 15:15, which is synchronicity, and the spirit guides are agreeing to this. Nothing is more important than your peace. Okay, and choose that, do whatever is needed for that. Okay, let's quickly pull one message from this deck. It's a learning your spirit guides want you to learn. I am the same as everybody but with different challenges. Wow, what a lovely message, guys. I am the same as everybody but with different challenges. So you don't need to be envious of anything or anyone, guys. Everyone has different set of journey. You really don't know. When it's very natural and it's very common thing that when you're going through rough period, we see people around us, especially with the social media, focusing only on happy things and all those reels and happy pictures. We tend to wonder or get carried away thinking, wow, this person is having such a beautiful life. But well, you really don't know what that person's journey is, okay, what that person's struggle is. So yes, do not be envious, be courageous to accept your life, your challenges, and be proud of who you are, okay. What a lovely message and what a lovely learning the spirit guides want you to have, guys. Leos, this was one of the most intense reading that I have done in the month of November. Another one was Gemini. It was also very, very intense. Yes, Gemini, if I'm not wrong. I usually don't remember readings, but when the energies are so heavy and intense, I do recall sometimes. So guys, I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and please do take care of yourself, okay. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.